Okay, so in this video, I'm going to do some examples of left outer join and right outer join. So I want to start just by looking at the countries table in our HR database that we've been using, and notice that we have quite a few countries listed there. There are 25 of them. And I'm just going to join over to the locations table because inner join locations, we'll see on location ID equals country.location ID. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I've got that backwards. It should be country ID for both of these, country ID. And if I run this, I know that I've got 25 countries listed, and now I've got 23 records returned. So that means, at minimum, that not all countries are represented. And probably the case is that several countries are not represented because we see duplicates here for Italy, Japan, United States, Canada, and so forth. So I want to know what countries do not map to a location in our HR database. So let's do a left outer join on locations to country. So if we change this simply to a left outer join and run this, then I should see more data about this. So notice that now we have Argentina and Belgium that are displaying with no locations. Denmark, Egypt, France, Hong Kong, Israel, Kuwait, Nigeria, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Those are the countries that do not have locations in our company. Well, what if I just want to list those? This is an example of the left outer join, but now let's take a look at the exclusion left outer join. So we want to know where the location ID from location is null. So this is our list of countries that do not have a location associated with them. Now if we change this to a right outer join, let me get rid of this part as well. If we change this to a right outer join, then we do not have any situations where locations do not have a country. Locations always specify a country. So a right outer join is not going to work in this particular case, because the result of the right outer join, since all locations have a country ID, is that it's the same as an inner join. Let's take a look at an example of where that's not the case. So select star from departments, and we're going to let's just left outer join employees on employee.department ID is equal to department.department ID. And when I run this, I should see somewhere along the way we have some nulls. Oh yeah, we've got a lot of nulls down below, showing that several departments do not have anyone associated with them. Well, I want to list all the people too. So let's see what a right outer join does for us here. This will list all employees regardless of the matches for department. So if we take a look, we do have one person, Kimberly Grant, that does not have a department associated with them. Kimberly Grant does not have a department. So, okay, so I've cleaned this up a little bit so we can take a look a little bit more closely. And if I run the left outer join, got the aliases wrong. If I run the left outer join, I see that I have departments, because that's table A, the left table, that do not have employees associated with them. If I run the right outer join, then I get the case where I just showed you earlier with the employee that does not have a department here, Kimberly Grant. Now, what if I wanted to do a full outer join and combine both of these? Well, it's really easy in MySQL to do that rather than the full outer join syntax. Some SQL flavors let you do that, but MySQL does not like that syntax. I can simply type a union there. So that will get us the results of a full outer join when we combine the two. So now we should see that we have some with nulls. Here's the Kimberly Grant, and we have some departments that do not have employees attached, all in the same result set. So this is the syntax primarily for how to do a full outer join in MySQL. So you do a left outer join and a right outer join and simply union those together in the same query.